this is a simple recipe for pork bone soup with wood ear mushrooms. Make sure you click the bell so I can keep giving you more videos. So for the ingredients that you will use, you have 6 red dates. You have 2 tablespoons of southern almonds. You have 2 tablespoons of Chinese peanuts and 2 tablespoons of sliced ginger. So you put this these ingredients in first. To add some sweet flavor to your soup, you can add some carrots. So just take off the skin with a potato peeler, cut into big chunks, 2 or 3 carrots would do it. This is what the wood ear mushroom looks like when it's dry. So you can buy these from Chinese supermarkets or from the Chinese herbal stores. So when you soak in water, usually overnight, it changes the way it looks. So this is what it looks like when it's dry. So these have been soaking overnight. So the wood ear mushrooms are actually thicker compared to the cloud ear mushrooms. Cloud ear mushrooms you use for stir fry. The wood ear mushrooms, a lot of times we use it for the soups. So they're fairly thick. They call it mukgi. When we translate it, it's wood ear. So you get these at the Chinese supermarkets. They're fairly common. So these are the pork bones. Pork bones that we buy usually have a lot of meat on it. So you get the flavor from the bones, plus you have the meat to eat. And the pork bones we parboiled in boiling water for about 5 minutes. So we have the pork bones. So you can put 2 or 3 pieces of pork bones in there. We have some red dates. We have some Chinese peanuts. Carrots are good for flavor, so you put some carrots in there if you like. There's also ginger. You can put it in slices or just a big chunk of it. And so main thing is just get the soup boiling with the pork bones. Here you start it at high heat. Once it starts boiling, you turn it down to lower medium heat and just let it simmer anywhere from 1 to 2 hours generally, or longer if you like, for more richer tasting soup. You also have some dried goji berries. So you put these goji berries in the last 15 minutes to the last half hour. You put the wood ear mushrooms in the last 15 minutes to half an hour, I would say. So you like them fairly crisp. You put it for just 15 minutes, so I would say up to half an hour before you serve the soup. So you see the wood ear mushrooms here and the goji berries. So there you have it. A traditional Chinese soup with pork bones and wood ear mushrooms. Enjoy. So you see the wood ear mushrooms with some peanuts. And the wood ear mushrooms are still pretty crispy. Ooh, that's real good comfort food. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese Cooking Accessory Guide. The recipes you get now is what I call stay-at-home recipes. This is what I have in my fridge. And if you have any suggestions, let me know. Put it in the comments in the section below. And be sure to give me a like, and be sure to subscribe, and make sure you click the bell so I can keep giving you more videos.